Good day, class! Our lesson for today is all about solving quadratic equations by factoring. Pero dun muna tayo sa pinakamadali by finding their common factor. This is our lesson 2B for quarter. Let's start with the definition of factoring. When we say factoring, or factorization, it is the process of finding the factors. What to multiply together to get an expression. It is also like splitting an expression into a multiplication of simpler expressions. Let's have our first example, 2y plus 6. Class, ang 2y plus 6, hindi pala ito quadratic equation. This is an example of linear equation. Ito lang yung first example ko kasi ito yung pinakamadali. Both 2y and 6 have a common factor of 2. Yan, ginawa natin siyang divisor para ma-divide natin ang 2y over 2 para ang matitira natin dyan is y. Sa kabila naman, 6 over 2, ang matitira naman is 3. Y is ang factor nun, 2 and y. Ang 6 naman, ang factor nun, 2 and 3. So, we can factor the whole expression into 2y plus 6 is just equal to 2 times the quantity of y plus 3. So, 2y plus 6 has been factored into 2 and y plus. Alam na natin yung niya, tayo makapag-solve. Solve 2y plus 6. Both 2y and 6 have a common factor of 2. Kaya naman nakakuha tayo ng 2 times the quantity of y plus 3. Since na linear equation to, meaning we only have one answer. So, y plus 3 is equal to 0, meaning y is equal to negative 3. Second example natin, 3y squared plus 12y. This is an example of quadratic expression. Quadratic expression, both 3y squared and 12y have a common factor of 3y. Ano yung makikita natin common sa kanila? Sa first term, we have 3y. Sa second term naman, another 3y. So, pwede natin gawin itong divisor, 3y over 3y. O, since the y squared yan, so may matitirang y. Sa kabila naman na term, 12 over 3 is equal to 4. Both na meron silang y, ibig sabihin, makancel out na natin yan kasi y over y is equal to 1. So, meron na tayong 4, y and 4. Ang factor ng 3y squared, since ang common factor is 3y, 3y and y, ang 12y naman is 3y and 4. So we can factor the whole expression into 3y times the quantity of y plus 4. So 3y squared plus 12y has been factored into 3y and y plus 4. Both 3y squared and 12y, again, have a common factor of 3y. Pares sila may 3y. So let us now solve. Ang gagamitin natin dyan, of course, yung factor nila. 3y equals 0. So y will be 0. Sa kabila naman, we have y plus 4 equals 0. Y is equal to negative 4. The solutions of the equation are 0 and negative 4. If we're going to substitute the solutions sa given natin, given expression or given equation, dapat maging 0 sila. Doon sa mga previews ko na topic, natutunan nyo na kung paano mag-check ng inyong answer. Okay, next, factor 2x squared minus 8x. Both 2x squared and negative 8x have a common factor of 2x. So again, gagamitin uli natin yung divisor, ang common factor nila. Kapag dinivide natin ng 2x squared sa 2x, ang matitira na lang sa atin ay x. At kapag dinivide natin ng 8x sa 2x, magkakaroon na lang tayo ng 4. 4 na lang ang matitira. So from here, 2x squared again, ang factor niya 2x and x. Ang 8x naman is 2x and 4. Both have a common factor na 2x. So we can factor the whole expression into 2x times the quantity of x minus 4. Let's have this example, 2x squared minus 8x. Both 2x squared and negative 8x have a common factor of 2x. So, ang ating factors ay 2x times the quantity of x minus 4. Let's find the solution. Una, ang 2x is equal to 0. Equate natin lagi sa 0. So, x will be equal to 0. Kasi wala naman 0 over 2. 0 pa rin yun. Kaya, x is equal to 0. Sa kabila naman, we have x minus 4 is equal to 0. Ang inverse ng negative 4 is positive 4. So, x is equal to 4. The solutions of the equation are 0 and 4. Or sila yung mga roots ng ating equation na 2x times the quantity of x minus 4 is equal to 0. Sila yung mga roots. Next example, factor negative 3s squared plus 9s. Both 3s squared and 9s have a common factor of negative 3s. Negative 3s squared, again, i-divide natin sa common factor, negative 3s, 9s, divide natin sa negative 3s. Ang matitira na lang sa first term is s. Ang matitira naman o what left sa second term natin is negative 3. Ma'am, bakit naging negative 3? Kasi positive, i-divide mo sa negative, different sign. Siyempre, ang quotient natin will be negative number. So, negative 3s squared is, ang factor niya, negative 3s and s. Ang 9s naman is negative 3s times s. Of course, negative times negative will give you positive. So, we can factor the whole expression into negative 3s times the quantity of s minus 3. So, negative 3s squared and 9s has been factored into negative 3s and s minus 3. Pwede na nating masolve kasi meron na tayong factor na negative 3s and times the quantity of s minus 3. So, let's have the s minus 3. Since negative 3 yan, magiging s equals positive 3. Sa kabila naman, negative 3s, wala naman 0 over negative 3, still s is equal to 0. The solutions of the equation are 0 and 3. Factor 4x plus 20x squared. This one is not written in standard form, pero okay lang yan. Pwede pa rin natin ma-factor yan. Both 4x and 20x squared have a common factor na 4x. Kaya gagawin uli natin itong divisor. 4x, divide mo sa 4x. Your numerator is the same with your denominator. So, ang quotient natin dyan, of course, 1. Tapos naman, ang 20 divided by 4 equals 5. X squared divided by x equals x. Kaya ang matitira dito ay 5x. So, what are the factors? Ang factors natin, 4x and 1 plus. Let us solve 4x plus 20x squared. Again, when we say solving, we have to find the solution sets or the roots. Both 4x and 20x squared have a common factor na 4x. Kaya naman, ang factor na to ay 4x times the quantity of 1 plus 5x is equal to 0. Alam ko, naiintindahan nyo na kung bakit ang x natin is equal to 1/5. You can go back sa mga previous natin na discussion kung paano natin ito ginawa. So, kung whatever ang number na kasama ng inyong variable, ang gagawin nyo, just divide both sides para matira sa kay x or sa variable nyo is only the variable. At magiging x is equal to 1/5. 4x is equal to 0, so x is equal to 0. The solutions of the equation are 0 and negative 1/5. Factor 5t minus 10t squared. Both 5t and negative 10t squared have a common factor of 5t. So again, pwede natin gawing divisor yon, 5t over 5t. If your numerator is the same with your denominator, automatic, your answer will be 1. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Tanggalin natin ng isang t. Ang t squared, so ang mabilin o ang matitira is 2t. So ano yung mga factor natin? Factor natin will be 5t times the quantity of 1 minus 2t. 5t times the quantity of 1 minus. After factoring, pwede na nating makuha ang roots or ang ating solutions. Ang factor natin kanina is 5t times the quantity of 1 minus 2t is equal to 0. So, again, 5t is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. Sa kabila naman, 1 minus t, 2t is equal to 0. So, again, t is equal to 1/2. T is equal to 1/2. Okay, class? Ganun lang siya ka-simple. Pwede nyong ulit-uliting panoorin para makita at maintindihan yung mga examples natin. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Gaano man kahirap, class, kayang-kaya nyo yan. Kasi ang future nyo ay nakasalalay kung paano nyo pagpahalagahan ang inyong buhay, lalong-lalo na ang inyong pag-aaral. Okay, goodbye class. See you sa ating mga klase. Naway marami kang natutunan sa araw na ito. Bye-bye!